Hey there folks, welcome back to Blades and More with a review of this Firebird by Ganzo model FB7651 folding pocket knife. This is the gray handled model and it's just a really nice budget brand piece. Ganzo's more popular FH 11, 21, 31, 41, and 51 now are better known than this FB 7651, but this piece is equally as impressive to me. It has roller bearings, G10 handle scales, and 440C blade material, as opposed to the FH models that have D2. But it's still a great feeling little piece. And it comes in around the $25 price point. It has the Ganzo G-lock, similar to the Benchmade access lock. It's mid-size in that it is 7.83 inches overall length. The blade is 3.26 inches long. The width of the blade is 0.125 inches. It's a drop point blade design. A nice long tapered swedge on the spine. Has a plain edge, satin finish on the 440C steel, small sharpening choil, dual ambidextrous thumb stud opening, opens very nicely, closes nicely. With the Ganzo G-lock, it is similar to the Benchmade access lock. Got a little smudge on the blade there. The G10 handle scale is very nice. They're contoured, lightly textured. Has stainless steel liners that have been skeletonized. It's a tip-up carry design. With right or left hand clip placement. You put it on the back side or the front side. The blade is centered perfectly in the handle. Has a lanyard hole. And a G10 backspacer in the handle. Comes in around 4 ounce total weight. And it's just a nice piece. Fits my large to extra large hand very well. Just feels great. I love this knife. I think you would be very happy with it too if you would so decide. This is the gray G10 handle model. I love that gray color on these newer Ganzo Firebirds. Also comes in green or black, the G10 does. Just a great little piece. I'm very happy with it. Feels great in my hand. Nice blade. Great handle, nice size, make for a great EDC. You could use it for a variety of other duties, camping, hunting, fishing, utility. Okay everybody, here we go. It is the Firebird by Ganzo FB7651 folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you back again. All right, bye now.